Grandma and Dad pretty good at taping. Of course, Grandpa would have put a whole lot more on it. So.
What is that?
She's gonna think it's her laptop.
It's what?
Like a laptop. She every screen she thinks it's a laptop.
Oh yeah.
Wow. You can watch TVs in the car now. Yeah?
She goes, get this out. That label just wouldn't leave your head.
Is that what it is? It's a TV for the
DVD.
car?
DVD player. For
Oh, cool.
Well, it's portable.
It comes with an antenna too, it looks like.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a local TV. You will have to buy the case to hang it from the back seat. It didn't come with one there.
That's cool.
I think she will like it her.
You want it open?
Yeah, that dress gets caught on your shoe, huh? It's okay. It's a pretty
Did
dress.
you guys buy this at Walgreens?
No,
You didn't?
no,
You sure?
yeah.
Because it says this intended for sale at Walgreens. It found elsewhere. It's called
We got it out of the trunk of a car in the parking lot.
at CVS.
At Walmart.
CVS.
At Walmart.
Competitor.
That's all the story you know.
Yeah, well, yeah, maybe it did come from Walgreens.